Today we're going to continue working on a rib. We're going to take our weights off, and what I'm going to do is kind of spread them around here. Did you get those out of there? Of course, you drop socket on the floor, break the floor. Okay, here we go. Now, when you go to pull these out, sometimes you will find that they're somewhat stuck. And so I use a little screwdriver, a knife, and a little screwdriver. Typically, now, for those that are wondering what does a rib weigh, this weighs 3.8